I love it here.
It was magic. It just blew my mind.
I enjoyed this a lot.
It was fantastic.
Overall, it was a really fun time.
I learned to learn.
I feel very happy. I can feel another Pavitra.
Don't miss the mobile phone either. You feel it for 1 or 2 days, but then you get attached with the surroundings and the people around you.
I made friends from Bangalore, then Delhi, Bahrain.
I made new friends. I love the problem solving and teamwork exercises because that helped me build relationships with everyone here, and they help me understand them the most.
We have activities to keep ourselves locked into it.
Rafi uncle made it so good, fun, and we absorbed so much because of it being practical. There was no theory, only experiments, exercises, and fun.
We had yoga in the morning. Every morning we had some activity to do. We used to wake up at 7 o'clock automatically with no alarm, nothing. The birds just chirp and the sun just comes on our face.
And what I love about being here is you get to learn things in activities. Like, it's not just sitting in a classroom and the teachers just keep talking about this and that. But here we get to do hands-on problem solving.
It's actually really fun because these activities, for example, we did group juggling. So we did lose the ball a lot of times, but that's what got us locked into it. Our focus of not losing the ball.
We learned karate, we learned magic, we learned juggling, and many other things.
When I was in my house, I always be addicted to gadgets. Now I don't feel like seeing gadgets at all.
Changed in me, I'd say addiction to gadgets. That's gone, that's completely gone. These few 9 days I haven't been near any gadgets. The closest thing was talking to my parents, which made me feel that I was still connected to them.
You feel more social. You can get off your mobile phone addiction. And because we were not using our phones, we became so social.
We have been without mobile phones for like almost 10 days. And then after that we slowly got used to it. We started becoming more social. And then we started making more friends.
At home, we're always using gadgets, watching this, playing this. We never thought about our phones these days. The only thing we thought about was sitting together, chatting with friends, which was much better than using your phone for entertainment.
I don't feel gadgets are that much important. I feel people are the ones that we should interact with, not the ones on the screen.
I became more focused. I became more aware of my surroundings, and I wanted to stop procrastination and achieve that. I was aware of my actions.
We learned how to improve our focus, peak concentration. There was awareness, action, many such.
Well, I am more focused and attentive now.
So my peak performance and my focus improved a lot.
The science experiments, basically one thing I learned was things that look easy are not really easy. They're incredibly hard.
We even did a rhythm exercise. We felt very calm and energetic at the same time. I attend the workshop for knowing it.
Joseph sir is a mainly inspiring person because his hand was like rock.
I would highly recommend them to come.
This program is actually really nice. I suggest it to everybody.
This is just too good. I can't describe it in a word. I need a paragraph to describe this thing. So parents who are thinking, bring your children to this course. The experience is amazing, awesome.
Magic of change asajirangappa.
You gotta come.
Magic of change.